Hi friends, good morning. This is Uma. Currently, I am working as a senior chemistry lecturer, Sri Gurukul Vidyalayam College of Science, Kasibugga, Palasa Town, Srikakulam District and Andhra Pradesh State. Today I would like to explain part 18 of Structure of Organic Molecules, which is subtopic of General Organic Chemistry. Shall I move? In part 18, we will see bond parameters. Bond parameters in organic compounds. Bond parameters in organic compounds. Clear? Basically this part, that means bond parameters, is one of the part in chemical bond. One of the part of chemical bond. That means what? We will see full information about bond parameters in chemical bond lesson. Anyhow, little bit information I will give you about bond parameters in organic compounds. This point you have to remember. Full information where it is in chemical bond lesson. Little bit information I will give you in organic compounds, that is GOC, that is structure of organic molecules. Okay, shall I move? First point, organic bond is equal to, basically organic bond is equal to dash bond. Tell me sir, which type of bond present in organic molecules? Very good. Covalent bond. Okay, organic bonds are generally covalent bond. What is covalent bond? The bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. Mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. We will see total information about covalent bond in chemical bond lesson. Okay. So, how covalent bond is formed? Sharing of electrons between two atoms. Sharing of electrons between two atoms, then only covalent bond is formed. So, organic bonds are dash bonds, covalent bonds. Second point. Bond parameters. What are bond parameters? Covalent bond is associated with some parameters. Some parameters are called bond parameters. Clear and clear? That means every bond, whether it is covalent bond or ionic bond, every bond is associated with some parameters. That parameters will be called as bond parameters. Clear? Third point, types. Bond parameters, how many types are? 4 types. 4 types. First one is bond length. Bond length, that is BL. Second one is bond energy, that is Be. Third one, bond order, BO. Fourth one, bond angle, BA. All these parameters are covered in chemical bond lesson. That means I will explain full information about all these things in chemical bond. Anyhow, I will give little bit information about these things. Okay, in organic compounds. Clear, sir? Fourth one, they define they means what? Bond parameters. They define nature and bond strength. They define nature and bond strength of bond, covalent bond or chemical bond. Clear? So bond parameters define dash and dash of covalent bond. Tell me, sir, nature, which type of bond present in compounds, as well as better to talk chemical bond. Which type of chemical bond? What is the nature of chemical bond given by parameters, and how much strength of this bond, chemical bond, how much strength, that also given by bond parameters. Clear? Now fifth point. Sorry. So fifth point, units. Okay, no. So 4 points enough, I think. Fifth point, very important point, sir. Sorry. Okay. Four points. First one, organic bonds are covalent bond. Second point, tell me, sir. Tell me, what is second point? What is third point? What is fourth point? Types. They define nature and bond strength. Clear? What is covalent bond? Organic bonds are covalent bonds. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. Clear? Every chemical bond is associated with some parameter. That parameters will be called as bond parameters. How many types of bond parameters present? 4 types. They define nature and bond length. Shall I move? First bond parameter, bond length. That is BL, bond length. Clear? Tell me, sir, first point. Definition. Tell me, the distance, it is defined as, the distance between center of nuclei. Center of nuclei of two bonded atoms. It is defined as the distance between center of nuclei of two bonded atoms. See, for example, hydrogen bond length. Hydrogen means what, sir? This is one hydrogen atom, other hydrogen atom. Clear? It is central part. This is called as nucleus. This is center of nuclei. The distance between, tell me, sir, the distance between center of nuclei between center of nuclei of two bonded atoms is known as bond length. I hope you can understand. Next point. B. It is expressed in angstroms. 1 angstrom is equal 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. Next point. Factors affecting on bond length. This is very, very important for objective chemistry, for objective JEE and NEET. What are the factors? Factors affecting on bond length. So first factor is electronegativity. Second factor, S character, that is hybridization. Third factor is size of atom. Fourth factor is presence of lone pairs, lone pair of electrons. And fifth factor is delocalization. Delocalization. See, sir, we will see electronegativity, S character, size and presence of lone pair of electron. But delocalization concept we will see other subtopic of GOC. We will see, tell me sir, later. In, tell me sir, other subtopic of GOC. Please remember it. Delocalization means resonance, very, very important topic. That is electron displacement in covalent bonds. At that topic we will see delocalization. So now I would like to explain these 4 factors only. Clear? I hope you can understand. Now with your permission I shall move to electronegativity factor. Clear, sir? Okay. With your permission I can stop here. We will see next video. Next video we will see factors affecting on bond length. Thank you. Bye bye.